Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, into a Jewish family in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg, southern Germany. His father, Hermann, was an entrepreneur, while his mother, Pauline, a homemaker and talented pianist, passed on to her son a love of music and the violin. Einstein began speaking only around the age of 3. A quiet child, he preferred playing alone rather than joining noisy games with other children. There's even a story that, trying to snatch a glowing toy from his little sister, he threw a bowling ball at her. Despite the popular myth, Einstein was not a poor student. The confusion came from Germany's grading system at the time. Initially, 1 was the highest grade, but later the scale was reversed and 6 became the top mark. Because of this, many people mistakenly thought Einstein had terrible grades. In reality, he excelled in math and physics, though he often clashed with teachers, openly showing his disdain for the rigid school system. At 16, he moved to Switzerland to take the entrance exam for the Zurich Polytechnic. He did brilliantly in math and physics, but failed other subjects. A year later, however, he was admitted and in 1900 earned his diploma as a teacher of mathematics and physics. Unable to secure a university position, in 1902, he took a modest job as a technical expert at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. But this job left him plenty of time to think. There he developed groundbreaking theories on Brownian motion, on light quanta, and most famously, on special relativity. From this came his legendary formula, E equals sine mc2, showing that even a tiny amount of mass can release an enormous amount of energy. In 1906, Einstein obtained his doctorate and gradually gained recognition, supported by leading scientists like Max Planck. He soon interacted with giants of his era such as Lorentz, Poincaré, Marie Curie, Langevin, Perrin, and Rutherford. In 1915, during the First World War, he published his general theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of gravity. Global fame came in 1919 when astronomical observations confirmed his predictions. Newspapers proclaimed a scientific revolution, turning Einstein into a world celebrity. In 1921, he was awarded the Nobel Prize, not for relativity, but for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, published back in 1905. In 1933, with the rise of Hitler, Einstein left Europe for the United States and became a professor at Princeton. Contrary to popular belief, he did not work on building the atomic bomb, though his theories laid the groundwork. The bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki horrified him, and he often spoke of feeling a moral responsibility. In his final years, Einstein entrusted his intellectual legacy to the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. On April 18, 1955, he passed away in Princeton at the age of 76. Today, Albert Einstein remains one of the most iconic figures of the 20th century. His formula E equals sine mc2 has become a universal symbol, while his very name is synonymous with genius.